DeLonghi.
All-in-one combination coffee maker. No waiting time with dual heating system. Italian 15-bar pressure pump. Allows you to brew coffee and espresso simultaneously. Enjoy intuitive and enhanced experience with digital touchscreen and wake up to freshly brewed coffee with a digital timer. Experience authentic espressos brewed at the optimal pressure for rich flavor. Advanced steam wand. Choose microfoam setting to steam milk for lattes or treat yourself to authentic cappuccinos with cappuccino setting. Customize your preference of flavor and aroma for a rich yet smooth coffee experience.